I'm gonna see if I can make him turn it on. Here we go. Okay, there it is. she's doing her own camera. See, yeah. Snaps. Look at that building. Holy cow. Guess where we're at? Our only recorded stop in Houston is the Waterwall. She's cold. I am too. I'm about to bust these mirrors and glass here with my. She's still cold. Look at her, she's still cold. Oh my god, here comes the sun. Ah, vitamin D. Look at this. She might be right about the water wall. I don't think it's on. It's off. It looks like it's off. All right, everybody. We have made it to the water wall. You ready for this? It is off. All right. Well, I'm gonna see if I can make him turn it on. Here we go. Okay, there it is. This water wall on this side, huh? Guess where we're at?
Cruise! Going to the Bahamas. Is it called the Bahamas?
The Gulf of Here we go. We are going on the Carnival Miracle. This is going to be our second time on the ship. As you can see, Carnival Miracle.
Hello, old ship.
Hello, old ship. We are back. We are back. She's got a camera of her own.
Over there.
Station needed next to the other side.
Well, hello, Carnival family, and welcome aboard the beautiful Carnival Miracle. This is Shine, your cruise director.
I like Adam, our cruise director.
Your cabins are now ready. In
So
spring,
this
Embark,
time
so many different
we
ways
got.
to take your vacation back.
Oh wait, we're going to a balcony room.
Device on airplane mode.
Here we go. We're going up some stairs. We're going to 6256. We are on the Empress deck. Here we go, Empress deck. This is how we're gonna walk when we're drunk. Right? Later, when the ship is moving like crazy. Here we go. Oh, here's the room. It looks exactly the same as before. Alright, let's and it's this is the whew, it smells like shit outside. We're not gonna go out there yet. It stinks out there. Yeah, but that's the room right here. We've got our own deck, upgraded room. We paid an additional $300 something for this room. Because we're gonna be in the Gulf of in-between countries. That's gonna be what it's called.
So it's actually the same as all the other rooms, right? The last one that we had just had a window.
Yeah, this one has a balcony.
This one has a balcony.
Yeah. Wait, the last one had a. So.
The bathroom is the same size.
Same. That's it. Luggage is not here, so here's. Okay, cool. The safe is right here underneath the TV, and they still have one outlet, but we brought our own plug. We're gonna drop off our stuff and go find some food.
This is our 24th. See this?
What is this? What is that?
Welcome for your milestone cruise. Cruise number 24.
This is not our 24th cruise.
This is our 24th day. They count it by number of days. So we've been on Carnival ship for 24 days.
Meal number 1. Asian. There it is. So check this out. My card is valid for up to 15 drinks daily. Yeah.
What kind of drinks?
Alcohol,
That's it?
Coca-Cola, or I'm gonna get espresso. So we got complimentary drinks. Look at what we're playing. Connect 4 in this room.
The Joker.
Yeah, here we go. Ta-da! Hi, my name is Adam. I'm feeling healthy today. Oh, this is what I'm eating. Lemon water.
Great.
Oh, all right. Remember the purple lights?
Yeah.
Hey.
Supposed to be representing grapes or something.
Grapes. I got grapes. All right, here we go. 385. Here we go. Lonely table, all to ourselves. Look at this place.
Ah.
Grapes outside. So, let's see how the food is tonight. All right.
I'm good with that.
We got
I'm good with water. Yeah.
that and that. Shrimp cocktail. Shrimp cocktail and Caesar salad's gonna be like the norm for this whole trip. What do you got there?
Filet mignon.
Today. Oh, thank you. Szechuan shrimp. Thank you. Filet mignon. Bon appetit. Born appetite. What'd you get there?
It's a melting cake.
Melting cake. All right. Well, I got lime ice cream sorbet. Day 2, sea day. Good morning. We're gonna go eat.
Yes. We haven't even had breakfast yet.
That's how degenerate we are. What you eating there? Breakfast number 1. So healthy of us, huh? Look how humid it is. We're almost there. I could not walk by this and not pick this up to eat. Cinnamon Toast Crunch. And I am lactose intolerant, so you know how it's gonna be later for me. Especially in the room. I feel sorry for her. Alright, check this out, everybody. One thing about Carnival is that they clean their windows.
We were
MSC.
We were complaining about the windows not being cleaned the last time we were here.
Oh, was it?
Yeah.
I thought it was MSC.
No, this was Alaska. We're like, oh, that would have been a great view. The windows are
Oh, yeah, look at cleaning the window.
cleaning the windows. Yeah, look at that. Hey.
Check us out. It is night number 2. I have my shirt with my cleavage showing. We're gonna go eat, see what the specialty is tonight. Today was sea day. And okay, I gotta zip this up. I can't. Okay, so today was sea day. Anyways, we're gonna go eat now. It's dress up night. See us right here? Okay, Okay, look at my cleavage again. Just kidding. Okay, here we go. Let's go down to eat. Level 3.
Oh, that's gonna be a problem.
Why is it a
I
problem?
gotta go pee.
It's what happens when you drink alcohol. Your bladder starts to get smaller.
Really? Is that what happened?
I don't know. Maybe. Okay.
Next three.
Stop judging me. Alright. All this artwork here. She had to go pee. Oh my god, I still gotta fix this. This is horrible. Last time, she took pictures on this piano, but we never bought the pictures. She just wanted to take pictures for the hell of it. Okay, here we go.
I did.
Yeah. It was fun. Alright, I'm gonna go back in the purple line. Ooh, look at this. Ooh, thank you. After you. So romantical, huh?
Yeah.
Look at this. Oh
Look
my
at this.
goodness. So romantical. Oh, it's a video. First up, clam chowder. There she goes. Clam chowder. That clam chowder was nasty. But favorite meal of the day for her is
Lemon meringue.
lemon meringue cake.
How can you tell when shrimp is out of season? They're small.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh man. Well, okay. Look at that salad. She got Cesar.
Very good evening to Carnival Miracle family.
Oh, grilled chickens. What'd you get there?
Filet mignon.
Filet mignon, huh?
We got.
I got grilled chicken. So,
Day 2 food.
as you can see, this was my favorite dish today.
Yeah.
Yep. The grilled chicken breast. Thank you. So, grilled chicken breast, string beans.
Oh yes.
And my next favorite's coming is lime sorbet. 3 scoops. Look what she's. Look at that. What'd you-
Panna cotta.
Ooh, and I got 3 scoops of lime sorbet. Put him back on.
It hurts.
Look at what she's doing, everybody.
Okay. I thought I can.
I'm gonna take my shoes off too.